How would you like to make thousands of dollars extra doing what you already do as a real estate agent? Doesn't that sound awesome? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to get into affiliate marketing so you can make some extra cash while at the same time keeping your day job as a real estate agent. Now be sure to stay to the end where I share a pretty embarrassing story on how I lost out on thousands of dollars of commission by not following my own advice. Hey, it's Jaime. If you're just meeting, welcome to the channel that brings actionable content to grow your business through online marketing. So if that sounds beneficial, consider subscribing. Alright, so let's get right into it. But first, let's understand what is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a type of performance-based marketing in which a business rewards one or more affiliates for each visitor or customer brought by the affiliate's own marketing effort. So basically, you're a salesperson for somebody else's product. That's really no different than being in sales for a certain company. Now, it's a little bit different with affiliate marketing as opposed to the traditional sales job is you can be an affiliate marketer for various companies. There's really no limit. So you can get signed up with as many companies as you want as long as you're comfortable repping those companies and making some affiliate sales that way. And affiliate marketing can be done in the digital world and also in the physical world, but for the purposes of our video today, we're gonna focus on the digital side of things. Now, it's important to understand that affiliate programs come in all shapes and sizes, but basically they come down to two types of commission-based structures. That is the single pay model and also the recurring pay model. Under the single payout model, anytime somebody signs up with your affiliate link, regardless if it's a service or a product, you receive either a flat fee or a percentage of the sale one time. That's the single payout model. It's not recurring. Now, under the recurring model, take that same example, except this time you're receiving revenue on a recurring basis. So anytime the person that you referred to the company continues using a service or purchasing a product, you get paid for it. So as a reminder, affiliate programs come in all shapes and sizes, but basically we're talking about a single payout or a recurring pay. And now that we understand affiliate marketing a little bit better, let's focus on how you as a real estate agent can make some extra money. And the first and easiest way is to leverage what you already do, which is being a real estate agent, helping buyers buy and helping sellers sell. Just keep doing what you're already doing, except this time add some additional revenue sources. And the first place to look if you're a listing agent is the staging companies. Staging companies will give you an affiliate commission if you bring them business. So call around to some staging companies and see who has a program already established, and you're gonna be surprised how many of them already have one. Now, another way to make some extra money is to leverage the companies that do utility connection. Those types of companies will gladly pay you a referral fee anytime you can bring them a client. Now, another industry that commonly pays out is the home security industry. Anytime that you bring them a client, count on some money. All right, so let's talk about leveraging your relationship with other real estate agents because there's a lot of opportunity in helping other agents as well. I'll start out with one industry that has really helped me out a ton, and that is real estate schools. We as real estate agents either need continuing education or we needed some sort of education to get into the industry, i.e. real estate school. So if you sign yourself up as an affiliate with real estate schools, all you have to do is refer other agents to that real estate school. Now, it's important that you have some experience or some relationship with that school in the past, i.e. use them in order to really build that credibility with the referral that you're making to other agents. As an example, there's a real estate school that I use quite frequently, so I signed up as an affiliate, and just last month I made over $4,000 in affiliate commission. Now, another way that you can make some extra money is by helping your brokerage grow. There's many brokerages out there that will pay you a referral fee or an affiliate fee if you bring them some additional agents into that brokerage. In fact, that's how EXP, the brokerage that I'm with, is growing so quickly. There's a revenue share component that incentivizes real estate agents to attract other agents into the brokerage. And to be honest, it's quite lucrative to where I am able to offer my digital marketing services for my agency to all of the agents that I sponsor into EXP for free. So that means that any agent that partners with me at EXP gets the benefit of using my agency for their real estate lead generation for absolutely free. So if you'd like some additional information on that, it's going to be linked down below. But that's just one example of many. Even smaller independent brokerages will pay you, maybe not a recurring fee, but they'll at least do a single payout fee if you bring them some additional agents. They all want to grow. So here, just like you did when you were leveraging your clients, sit down and analyze everything that you use in your business, because chances are there's a referral program for it. That's right, CRMs, websites, landing page generators, data providers, even other marketing company services have affiliate programs. So check them out. They're going to use their services anyway, so why not you be paid for that simple recommendation? And the next revenue generator for you should be the home warranty companies. Look at any major home warranty company out there and you will find an affiliate program. You will find a referral program where if you bring them a client, they will also gladly cut a check for you. Now, it's important to note here that the client is not paying anything extra. The only thing that changes is that for your efforts, for your referral, you get paid for it. Hey, one quick second, I'll let you get right back to the video because I know that you're enjoying making some extra money. If you can help me along the way, I would greatly appreciate it by you going down to the bottom of this video and smashing like. All right, so we've talked about leveraging your clients, i.e. your buyers and sellers. We've talked about leveraging your relationships with other real estate agents. Now let's talk about leveraging the general public. So this is where we start leveraging out into a more affiliate marketer's world. We're not talking about clients. We're not talking about real estate agents. We're just talking about the general public. So you have to understand that you as a real estate agent hold a position of power when it comes to real estate. So whenever you have an opinion, people will take that a little bit more serious than somebody that doesn't have a license. So with that being said, there are hundreds into thousands of programs that talk about investing, that talk about how to flip a house, that talk about design, that talk about anything real estate related that you could leverage. So what I'm getting at here is that you can become an affiliate for anything real estate related that goes out to the general public. They don't have to be your clients and they don't have to be real estate agents. And there are companies out there that are aggregators for these type of referral programs. So I'll link those down below so you can go and explore what product, what course, what service makes sense for you to be an affiliate with. Now, warning. This is where we get into the part of the story where tragedy struck. Make sure that whatever affiliate program that you work with, they either have experience with affiliate sales or you trust them enough to become one of the first affiliates for them. Be sure that you're at least able to audit the front side of the affiliate program, meaning however many clicks you get on your referral links. So you can use a free service like Bitly, which tracks the amount of clicks that you get per day in a particular URL. Now, many times you won't be able to track the actual conversions in certain affiliates, but you're at least able to track the amount of clicks, which is very telling. All right, so why am I telling you this? Why am I saying that you either need to work with a reputable company that has experience with affiliate sales, or if they don't have any experience with affiliate sales, that you actually trust them to do right by you? Well, the reason being that even with all of my experience in affiliate sales, just this past month, I got hosed. Whether it was intentional or not, I got duped. Now, I'm not going to call anybody out by name, but this person is big in the space that I'm in and has been on the channel. So I signed up for this person's affiliate program. Now, again, I have no way of knowing if this was intentional or not, so I'm going to give this person the benefit of the doubt. But when I audited my custom URL, which contained my affiliate ID, I noticed that on my Bitly link, there was a good amount of clicks, but on the dashboard that I have to check the activity on the affiliate, there is no action. So there's that disconnect. Over here, I see that there's clearly some traffic going into the system, but over here, I see nothing. So that's a red flag. So when I reached out to the individual to troubleshoot, there was a lackluster response. And the response was something to the effect of, I'll look into it. Well, days went by and nothing happened. Several more days went by without a single response or even an acknowledgement of my message. And when I reached out a third time, there was really no motivation to get the item fixed. There is basically a response of the developers have a long list to do and they're working on it. So again, make sure that the affiliate program that you're working with has a track record of affiliate sales, or that you trust the company or the individual that you're working with when it comes to a new affiliate program. Because at the end of the day, it's your name, your brand, your likeness, and your integrity that's at play here. So if you sign up with an affiliate program and you decide to push that out, it's your name that's on the line. And it's important to recognize that because you are running a risk that the affiliate program just won't pay you. They won't pay you for your efforts. They won't pay you for giving them a platform. They won't pay you for sending their program out to your email list. You're just running that risk. Well, now that you have a deeper understanding of affiliate marketing, it's time to get back to work. So I'll leave a video right here that's gonna help you do that. Also, if you found value today, please be sure to subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss another video. And of course, make it your best day yet.